Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to add a navigation menu in Shopify. First, this is my Shopify store, and as you can see, no navigation menu next to my logo. How to add a navigation menu? It's simple. Just go to shopify.com, click on login to log in to your Shopify account. Now, from this left side menu, click on Content and select Menus. Now, click on Main menu and give your new menu a name. Yeah, I will keep it, or let's call it Ben's menu. And here, click on Add Menu Item. First, I will add the home page. I will call it Home. I will select home page here, click on check. Second, I will add an about us, and I will click. You can either search for your page, paste your page link, or search using this list. I will search for, I will search for about to see if this store has About Us page. I don't have it, so I will, instead of this, I will add a catalog page, and for this catalog link on my navigation menu, I will select all products, just like that. Hit this check mark. Second, I will see what pages I have. Pages, no page. Or let's add a policy, privacy policy. When you select your page from here, the label is automatically added, but you can still edit it as you want. Now click on this save button. Now that my menu is updated, let's go back to my online store and hit the refresh page. As you can see, even after 2 refreshes, the menu didn't show up. This is normal. I will show you how to fix this if you encounter it. Simply go back to your Shopify account or Shopify dashboard, and below Sales Channels, click on Online Store. And next to your current theme, click on this Customize button. Now you can either click on header if it is easy for you to locate it, or click on this header section. As you can see, after I select it, now I'm inside the header options. I can customize and look for menu, this one, and next to it click on select, and now click on your newly created navigation menu. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course called Shopify for Beginners today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Shopify, how to set up your online store, add products and collections, manage your store pages and navigation, add payment methods, launch your store, manage it, also doing marketing for it. To get access to all of this today, plus my other available online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. And now click on your newly created navigation menu, just like that. Now my Ben's menu is the one selected to show up. As you can see, here in the preview, I can see that it is added, and click on this save button. And now let's refresh my online store, and just like that, my newly created navigation menu is added. And this is how to add a navigation menu in Shopify. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.